Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a paragraph writing. Man and trees. Man is wholly dependent on the plants. We depend on them in every way, in every second, in every moment. We cannot live without trees. Man and trees share a vital relationship that supports life on earth. Trees provide oxygen, which humans need to breathe, and they absorb carbon dioxide, helping to reduce pollution. They provide us fruits, vegetables, and grains. Trees also give medicines, wood, and timber that we use to build houses and make furniture. Their roots hold the soil, prevent floods and landslides, and help to bring regular rainfall. Trees give cool shade to people and animals and reduce the heat of the sun. They also absorb harmful gases and dust, thus keeping the air clean and fresh. Despite this, human actions are harming trees, which negatively affects both the environment and human health. Protecting trees also supports communities that depend on forests for their food, fuel, and shelter. So, it is the duty of every person to plant more trees, protect forests, and never cut trees unnecessarily. Thank you for watching. Stay with me, and for new writings please subscribe my channel.